Hi, this is Rachelle with Journal Life's Journey, and I am back to work on the cover from the Use It, Finish It Skinny Tall Journal that we started previously. These are the signatures, and I folded a file folder to use as the cover. So what I have done is pull a couple of paper pads because I also want to use up my paper pads. And there's no printed papers that I have that are long enough to fit this space. So I'm using 12 by 12. I'm pulling from this paper pad, which is Floral Romance. It is from Michael's 2019. Okay. And then this one is Pretty Petals from the Paper Studio, Hobby Lobby, from, I don't know if it has, this is from 2016. Okay. So I'm pulling from those two. And I'm thinking I want to do kind of like a paper piecing layout on the inside here. So I've already marked my paper where I need to cut it. So I'm going to go to my rotary cutter, my big cutter, and cut this down because my small paper trimmer that has the rotary blade seems to cut straight sometimes, but not all the time. So I'm going to get a nice straight cut for this. And I guess I could mark the height too. I'm probably not going to chop off anything from the top, just the bottom, but I could just glue it and trim it later. I think I'll trim the height later. All right, be right back. So these are the pieces. This goes in the center. Then these are going to go on either side. Now, I want to still reinforce my center. I could use some of my fabric tape, but the problem with that is it's going to show when I glue on these pieces. Let me see what I got. But maybe I'll try it since I have it. um, I think I can make it work. Let's cut two pieces of this. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stop here on this session. I got it all matted. So I'm just gonna try to decide what kind of closure I'm gonna use because it is gonna need a closure. I think it needs one. And also if I'm going to do a covered spine, these are kind of rough around the edges, but I'm thinking I could put a piece of lace over that. And I'm trying to decide if I should stitch around everything. I think I should. I'm just trying to figure out will it go through my sewing machine. But since all of this folds up so neatly, I think I can get it through the sewing machine. But then is it gonna sew well on both sides? Maybe I better leave well enough alone. I think I'm gonna leave well enough alone. I'll do the lace covered spine. I think I glued it down really well, so it should be fine. And I won't put lace on the spines until after I stitch in the signatures. So this is where we are. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll holler at y'all next time. Bye.